Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit and a 10 speed, 310,000 miles on it. Got it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything that you want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern truck, no rust. New steers. So this one's got a spot on the fender there. Can't really see it, but it's got some little dings on the top of the hood, which you obviously don't see. You probably see better from the driver's seat than you do just walking around it. You may not have even noticed if you're walking around it. And then it does have a dent on the top side of the fender there. Looking blow by. There you can see that fender there a little bit better. Sides got a few of those little dings as well. Good rubber all the way around. All aluminum wheels, excellent brakes. Fuel tanks and steps look really good. Like the window in the back on these. .310 on the miles, 13,000 hours. Good low side oil pressure. Super responsive, and the oil pressure jumps up just like it's supposed to. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@trumpmarket.com. Thanks for watching.